In previous videos, we learned how to delete a single name from the database by selecting an ID. For example, let's say we want to delete the seventh name. We simply pick the ID and hit the button, and the name is gone. But sometimes we might want to clear the entire database at once instead of deleting names one by one. In this video, we'll learn how to do exactly that, delete all names in one click. Let's break down how it works. We first define a function that connects to our SQLite database and runs a delete from command without any condition. This will remove every row from the people table. Then we commit the change and close the connection. In the interface, we give the section a title that clearly warns the user, danger zone, delete all names. Then we create a button labeled delete all. If the button is clicked, we call our function and show a warning message that all names have been deleted. Let's run this and see what happens. Right now, we have 9 names in our database. I'm going to click the Delete All button. Now, if we refresh the page, all names are gone. Just like that, our database is cleared. See you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe.